Hello, Jai Shri Ram. Welcome to second video of Pharmacy College in Nashik. This is an second video of our series, Pharmacy College in Nashik. So, today's video is about college, SMBT group of institutions. This is an private university which is established in year 1984. Exam accepted for the B Pharmacy course is MHT CET and NET. Let's talk about fees. The fees for Bachelor of Pharmacy course is nearly 1,40,000 per year. Total 60 seats are available for B Pharmacy course. Let's talk about cutoff. Website data shows year 2022 cutoff was 50 percentile and for year 2021 was 88 percentile. Here are review about placement and infrastructure.
There were no campus placements in this college. There was no placement cell. The college provided only a degree course. They may help you to build a network. We had to find a job on our own. It would be helpful for students if the college provides contacts. The infrastructure and facilities of the college are good. Classrooms are spacious and are always kept clean. Library of the college has a huge area and also has all kind of books related to courses. Labs are equipped with all equipment and accessories. Other necessary facilities are also provided by the college.
Last point is ratings. Overall ratings is 4.2 out of 5, 4.4 for academic, 4.6 for infrastructure, and 4 for placement. If you are watching video till here, so don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. And if you have any questions, let me know in comment section. I definitely try to answer it.